Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because if you are going to plan switch yourself onto the Windows 11, then this video is for you. So before installing and before planning for Windows 11, you must watch this video, because in this video I will tell you that how you can install the Windows 11, and through that way forward you will not feel any lagging after the installation, and you will get highly optimized Windows. So before installing Windows 11, must watch this video completely. Let's start the video. So first of all, this is the Windows 10 machine, and this method is valid on both PCs, old and new PC. On both PCs, this uh, way forward will work. So let's start the video. And first of all, we need Windows 11 ISO. So obviously we have to go onto the Microsoft website, and then you have to download the ISO. Confirm. And then you have to select your respected language, and after that just you have to hit onto the download button, and downloading will start instantly. So I've already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. Now we need to download one file from the GitHub, and that will take your Windows 11 towards the next level. So just you have to, I will give the link in the description, so no need to worry about that. And all details are here. So you need to download this file. It is pretty much lightweight file, and it is downloaded instantly. So that's all. And after that we are going to perform this installation, a clean installation without USB. So we need to take a little chunk of hard drive from the C drive in order to make the USB. So you have to go inside the computer management, click onto disk management, then right click on it, shrink volume, so no need to worry about it. Once we create the temporary USB, and after the installation we will remerge this drive to your main drive, so your space will not be wasted anymore. So this entire calculation is in Mbps, so is in MB. So you have to make sure that you have to calculate your GB into MB, and we need to take here 10 GB of space. So in 1 GB we have 1024 Mbps. MB, sorry, 10240. This is almost about 10 GB. So shrink it, and it will take a little time, and then we will have a space of 10 GB, and it is, most importantly, it is unallocated space, so we need to make it usable. So click onto the new volume, just hit next and hit next, and you can see that our USB will reflect as a E drive. Next, new volume, and you can mark as USB as well if you want. Next, finish. So now we have the USB volume of 10 GB. So what we need to do now, we need to copy the ISO, and we have to put it over there. Inside the downloads. So here we have the ISO. Let me create one folder onto the desktop in order to avoid any confusion. Win 11, and then we have to just paste here. And after that we need to extract here. So you can see that it is being extracted. So till that time we need to download one ISO. We need to download one software, that is EasyBCD, that will make your USB drive as a bootable drive, and it is absolutely a magic. I personally love the EasyBCD. So it will make your USB as a bootable drive. So type EasyBCD. Then you have to scroll down it and you have to click onto the register. Then you have to just give your email address, and it's basically a dummy, so just I'm giving here Go IT Center, subscribe, and you can give any email address over here. Now you need to click onto the download, and downloading has been done instantly. So once the downloading done and our files are almost extracted, so we need to copy this file and put all these files onto the E drive, onto the USB. So let's copy all these files and accept ISO, copy, and then we have to move on to the E drive, which is our USB, and we have to paste here. So it is being pasted, and till that time we need to install the EasyBCD in order to save the time. So here is the EasyBCD software. Hit next. Yes. Next. So files have been copied, and now we have to go. Okay, now we have to click onto the add new entry. Before doing that, we need to copy and paste the file inside the E drive. If you remember that we downloaded a file from the GitHub, so we need to put that file among the ISO files, which is available inside the USB. So let's copy this file and we need to paste here. So we have pasted the file, whatever we have downloaded from the GitHub, and after that we have to go onto the BCD software and click onto the add new entry, and then you have to click onto the WinPE. Then after that you have to give any name, like we are installing Windows 11, you can give any name, there is no restriction, so it's just a formality, you can say that. So Win 11, and after that we have to navigate the USB, which is our E drive, and once we inside the E drive, then we have to go inside the sources, then we have to select one file, that is boot vim, and we have to select that file, and then we have to click this green button. So you will have a message that menu successfully, boot menu successfully, and after that you have to just restart your system. And once you restart your system, then definitely it will take you towards the Windows installation, and in your case it would be a physical system, but obviously I'm doing this over the VMware EXSI. So let me open that, and here is a machine. So let me double click on it, and you can see that it is being processed. So now we have the Win 11. We gave the name Win 11, so we have to simply click on it. So this method is valid on both new and old computer, and through this you will get a highly optimized Windows, and you will get maximum performance if you are a gamer, or if you want to use your computer on or at your home or office, then this Windows installation is a perfect choice. So if you are going to plan Windows 11 on your computer, or you are upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, then this is the perfect option for you guys. Hit the bell icon and forward to family and friends, and also subscribe my channel. So you can see that setup has been processed, and now we have the option, just we have to hit on to the next, then next. Now it is getting the things ready for us. So right now I don't have the product key. We are going to install Windows 11 Pro. You can select any one of them as per your requirement. Hit next. Now again it is getting the things ready for us, and it will take 20 to 30 seconds. Not more than that. Now we have to navigate our C drive, where we have to install a clean Windows installation, where we have to perform. So you can see the partition size 84 GB. This is the largest partition. It means it is our C drive. Just click on that, and you have to format this partition. So now we have to click onto the C drive, which is our largest partition, and then hit next, and you can see that installation has been started. So it would take around 20 minutes to 30 minutes, not more than that. And after that you will get a debloated Windows and highly optimized and high performance Windows, and you will enjoy Windows 11. So once it is done, I will be back and we will remerge the partition what we did it in the first section of the video. So no Microsoft account is needed. Now we have this, and then we have to click yes. Initial setup of Windows, yes. Skip. And then we have to give the name. so it will take a bit time, and after that we will remerge the partition and then we will good to go. So let's wait for a while. So Windows 11 has been set up, and if you remember that we had put the file inside the GitHub file inside the USB, so it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. After that you will have a particular visit in order to debloat the Windows and optimize Windows. Wait for a while. And you could see that it was a neat and clean Windows. So after that we have to just enable user control, enable it, that's it, and then we have to restart, apply changes. So once the system is restarted, then you are good to go. So after that we have to remerge the partition. That is our final step. And once you click onto the disk management, then you will have a configuration. And if you remember that this is our USB, so it is now no longer be required. So we have to just right click on it, and we have to delete this volume. Yes, then right click on it, delete partition, and now you will have an unallocated space. Now you can extend the volume. Yes, 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 and finish, and that's it. Now you are good to go. You have a neat and clean Windows, and you can enjoy high speed Windows and optimized Windows. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends. Thank you.